Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Okay.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yep. 101.1 Smart FM Makassar, the spirit of Indonesia. And welcome back again to our weekly program that is English discussion. And today I'm not alone because there are like four different participants representing different communities in Makassar as well. And today's topic is about, what is the topic? Do you know, guys? What is the topic for today?
The topic for today
Yep.
is Diary of Meeting Club.
Yeah, so we are gonna talk about diary of meeting clubs. So it's basically like your own experiences, like during joining the English clubs. So first of all, before we discuss about the topic, like I would like to ask you one by one about yourself, and maybe you can also tell the viewers, like which university, or also if you work, you can tell about your occupation, and then you can tell us a bit also about like your English club, and then what is it all about. So first of all, I'm gonna start from my left side. I will choose you, Miss. Could you introduce yourself a bit for us?
Thank you for having me in this discussion. My name is Zaviera Tigris Sadena Pawa, but you can call me Viera or Era. I'm from Hasanuddin English community. So I have several programs in my community. So if you want to join us, you can join, such as in weekly discussion, weekly TOEFL, and we also have like English camp and
Wow.
hack talks, something like that. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you so much, Kaviera. Give a applause for her. Okay, let's move to the second speaker. Okay, for the second speaker, it's gonna be the only man besides me, you.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Abdul Hakam, but you guys can call me Aka.
Okay, Aka.
I'm a university student from Universitas Muslim Indonesia, and I'm taking communication science as my major
Okay.
and public relation as my concentration. Right now, I'm gonna do my internship next Monday.
Oh, next month.
Yeah.
Oh, wish you all the best for the internship.
Thank you very much. I'm gonna do my internship in Nutri-Food Makassar.
Oh,
And that's gonna be I'm so excited about that. And then I love to speak and talk. That's why I'm choosing this major and choosing this community. I think that's all. Thank you very much.
thank you so much, Mr. Aka. Okay, let's move to the third speaker. You, Miss. How about you? Yes.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
My
warahmatullahi
name is
wabarakatuh.
Fatihatul Makna. You can call me Kak Fatihah.
Okay, Kak Fatia.
I'm from representative from setting.
Okay.
Setting is Saturday English meeting from UNSA. You know
Okay.
UNSA Universitas
Universitas.
Sawari Gading.
Okay.
And I think is I joined there for many times. Actually, I'm not member,
Oh,
but
you're not a
just
member.
participant. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kak Fatia. Yeah. Okay, the last one. How about you, Miss? Could you introduce yourself a bit to us?
Hello, good evening, guys, and also
Good
good evening for all of the
evening.
Smart FM listener. My name is Riri. I'm the delegate of BPC Makassar.
Mhm.
Now currently I'm working in Chess, Cambridge
Chess?
English School as an English
Oh,
tutor. Yes,
Okay.
and also I'm still a student in Muhammadiyah University of Makassar.
Wow.
I'm delegation from BPEC. Guys, if you want to come to our meeting, you can go to Benteng Rotterdam at Sunday at 10 p.m. until 10 a.m. till 2 p.m.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss. Wow, she's still a student, but she's working as well, and also she's like, are you also a member of the English club?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. And then let's move to the second question. I feel like for all of the viewers, maybe they are highly interested in joining all of the English clubs, maybe like one of them, but they are still very confused, like which one suits them best. So I would like to ask you, like, what makes your English club like unique or stand out? So maybe there's something that you can offer to our viewers at home. So since I started with Miss Fiera first, so maybe for the first one for this question, I would like to ask Miss Fatia.
Oh, thank you. So,
Setting. What is setting? Why setting?
setting is okay. Thank you for the
You're welcome.
for the second time. Setting is Saturday English meeting in UNSA, Universitas Sauri Gading, and just participant over
Okay.
there. As I say before, I'm scavenger of knowledge, and then I go to there to take in knowledge, something like scavenger of vocabulary, especially
yeah.
English, and then three section. 8 o'clock until 2 o'clock.
Okay.
I mean 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Three section.
3 sections. On
Yes.
what days again?
Saturday, English
Saturday.
meeting.
So
Absolutely
it's always
Saturday.
on Saturday. Always on
Okay,
Saturday.
yes.
Okay. So maybe for the other clubs, they don't have really any schedules on Saturday. Then maybe setting is the best way to learn English,
yes.
right?
Because
Thank
of
you.
because of close to my house, and
Oh,
I
yeah.
go there.
I think close to
by-
your heart.
No, yeah, yes.
Close to your heart as well.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
close to my house, and then I think is I go there so easy because I go there by bicycle.
Oh, by bicycle.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Fatia. And then for the next one, I would like to ask the representative of BPEC, Miss Riri. What about you, Miss Riri?
Well, for me, BPACers really have interesting things.
Mm,
That's why I keep joining the meeting.
okay.
For example, for the first schedule when we conduct the meeting, we always do the who am I session.
Who am I
Yeah.
station? What's that?
Where's the new member who come to BPEC introduce themselves.
Okay.
And also there's a breaking, there's ice breaking.
Ice breaking.
Yeah, so the member will not feel like how to say, like it's bored. So yeah, we
Okay.
really having fun
Okay.
that session. Yeah, and also we have two session like discussion and debate.
Oh.
Yeah, so discussion is really cool because we can share our opinion to each other, and also when the debating session comes, we can debate and also rebuttal all of the other side arguments.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, exactly. That's why you have to come.
So
sometimes.
yeah, since you guys like both of you have like different also schedules. Like one is on Saturday and the other one is on Sunday, and also you guys like have like ice breaking and who am I for introduction for newcomers. But I would like to ask you again, like, is it open for any ages or also for any levels of English learners, or is it just for certain people?
Oh yeah, this is the best thing about BPC because everyone who can join, we don't care about your religion, where you're from, or
Okay.
your age. Even on the last meeting, there's like a kindergarten kid. who
Kindergarten?
come. Yeah.
Really?
But,
Like small kid.
yeah, the small kids, and
Oh,
they're
wow.
really cute. But
Cute.
yeah, we separate the kid and also the adult.
Okay.
Yeah, so like there's the basic class conducted by one of the committee in there.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay. For all of the kids at home, you may join BVC, right? Okay.
We will welcome
Yeah.
you.
So how about setting? Setting as well
Yes.
for any levels and any ages?
Actually, setting about 1.5 years, especially the student of college
Okay,
in UNSA,
university
Universitas Sauri
students.
Gading, but open all of the something like Sister
Okay,
Riri, all of the age, or how to say, you may come even though you're just kid until something like me,
Okay.
or but I think is how to say awet muda, and
Yeah,
then wow.
you're still
Okay.
young
Yes,
and
thank
look
you.
young. Okay, thank you. And I will move to Mr. Mr. Aka. Okay, Mr. Aka. Yeah, well, I was confused. Aka. Okay.
Even though you don't say Aka, it's gonna be me.
Yes.
So,
Okay. Okay. How about you? What makes like makes? It's that how it's pronounced?
yeah, it's mix.
Mix,
Some
okay.
people pronounce it mix, but some seniors call it makes.
Makas. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know how to pronounce it actually, which one is correct, but I very prefer Max.
Okay,
It
Max.
sounds
Okay,
great.
yeah, Max. Okay.
For me personally, Max is very great because we have like 3 times a week.
Three
It's
times
like
a
3
week.
times a
Wow.
week. So if you don't have a time from the first and the second day, you can go to the third day.
I
And
see.
for each day, we're gonna do like a small circle, and then we're gonna do like a free discussion there.
Okay.
But it's still gonna lead by a discussion leader, and then we're gonna talk about the social political issue that happen in the world, and we're
Okay.
gonna go arguing and giving our opinion as if we're gonna solve the problem of the world.
Okay.
Yeah, but the unique thing that we have in here that even though you don't even know how to pronounce the English word or like English sentences, or like you can even speak fluently, they're gonna
Okay.
be like, it's fine if you just can say I and you, and then like you can do the rest in Indonesian.
Okay.
It's good and it's cool, and by that method we found some people fluently speaking after they go during that process. After like 1 or like 2 years, they're gonna be like so fluent in English. And
Ah.
yeah, because we're not gonna like judge them. You shouldn't say that. That's wrong. So yeah, because they're so kind to us, and they're so, it's feel like a family to me actually.
Family bonding.
Yeah, she's Fatia also, like she's ever been there, and we all treat very well by the seniors, and they taught us how to do things, how to pronounce words. So yeah, it's very make me feel, yeah, I fall in love with Mex. So if you go there, you'll be you'll be feel the same.
Oh yeah,
So you
yeah,
go to
yeah.
Mex.
I feel like I want to join as well after hearing you. Okay, but since you also mentioned before, like even though you are not really fluent in English, you can also
Yeah.
combine in Indonesian. But
Yeah.
sometimes we talk about like politics and stuff, so it's not really for kids then, since like the topic is
No,
quite
not actually. We have like some kids go there too,
difficult. Okay,
and I don't know, the kids very smart. I don't even know what they're talking about actually.
so only smart kids then.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why they're being so smart. But like all the kids that ever been there, they can go with the flow.
Okay.
Yeah. So, are they smart? I don't know. I don't know. But they can go with the flow.
Okay.
And then like everyone should speak. When you go to the smart circle, you have to speak. So like even though like you didn't have time to be like shy, because you have your own time to speak.
Okay.
So because you force yourself to speak, and then your mind forcefully arrange the sentences so that it's by process it can make you fluently read in
Okay.
English.
So it will force you like to be fluent.
Yeah, it's force you.
But
You have to
yeah,
yeah. They rush you up.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Okay, we move to the last one. How about Miss Viera? Okay, how about you? Miss?
Okay, thank you for the opportunity for me. Yes, I will explain you about Hague. Hague is Hasanuddin English Community,
Okay.
but even though the name is Hasanuddin, you're not study in Hasanuddin, you also can join us. Yeah, it's just a name, but you can join us if you want with another study or another place. Yeah, because it's open for public, especially for weekly discussion that conduct in Friday, and weekly TOEFL on Wednesday. Yeah, it's from 4 p.m. in IPTEX Unhas. Yeah, it's based on Unhas. So
Okay, it's nice.
yeah, that's why I joined it, because I'm from Unhas too.
Okay.
And then if you become a member in Hasanuddin English Community, you have a big privilege, because you can join our another program beside the discussion that I say before. Yeah, maybe that's it for me.
Okay, thank you. So it's open for everyone, not only for Unha students, right? Okay, thank you so much. And the next question is, I would like to know from your personal experiences, like in the very first time that you joined the organization, like how did you end up in the organization, and then what made you stay, and what inspired you to stay? And since I was asking you, right? No, not now. But I was asking you first in the previous question, so that's why I will move to the representative of BPEC. So it's Miss Rere. What about you, Miss Rere? When did you start joining the organization?
I've been joining BPEC since 2019. Yeah,
Okay.
since BPEC already created in di bawah under the 2000-an.
Oh, okay. In
Yeah, that's why
2000
BPC is kind of famous.
I don't know if it's
Yeah,
okay.
BPC is quite famous, and I heard it from my friend. Then I came there, also with my friend, and I realized that BPC really improved my English. Yeah, because actually, I really don't like to speak.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm very shy, and sometimes
super shy. Okay, so
I'm
it's
becoming
Eugene
very
son.
nervous.
Okay.
Yeah, but since I'm on BPC, because they are always force us to speak,
Yeah.
my skill is improving.
Okay, so you
Yeah.
didn't speak English this good before.
Yeah, because I'm really
Okay,
shy. I only
okay.
learn theory and
Oh,
not
yeah.
speak directly.
Oh, I see. I
Yeah.
see. I'm super proud of you.
Yeah, thank
But what
you.
made you stay again? Because like there are different clubs here. Like why BPC? Is it just because is it very famous? Is it like the most famous club, English club in Makassar or not? Do you guys like agree? No, don't even start.
Don't start the fight, please.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, we will move to the next speaker. I will choose Miss Viera.
Okay.
So how about you, Miss Viera?
Okay, I joined Hasanuddin English community because of my friends. But before that, I also joined another English club in my city
why?
before. Yeah.
Why? Can you spell the T? Like why also you joined other clubs?
Yeah, nah, it's because I moved to Makassar. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I find what will be similar with my another club before.
Okay.
So Hasanuddin English community is a good choice for me because there is a lot of my friends there too. Yeah.
Okay,
that's why.
so could you also mention the other clubs that you joined to? Is it like one of these clubs here or a different one?
Oh, I'm just joined Hasanuddin English community or before my
Oh yeah,
before
before.
I'm in Maluku English
Okay.
Language Center.
Okay, I
Yes.
see,
Yeah,
I
I'm
see.
from
Wow.
Ambon, by the way.
Oh wow, yeah.
Ambon
Yeah,
manis
wow,
eh.
wow. That's why you are very sweet. So, okay, if I'm not mistaken, you are like the president of the.
Yeah.
Wow.
Correct.
Okay, so this is like the president, guys.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. We'll talk about it later. Okay, so next one, Miss. Wait, Miss Aka, right? Mr. Aka, Mr. Aka. Because Aka sounds like not really familiar.
Yeah.
But where are you from? Are you also from somewhere else, not in
I
Makassar?
also came from the East Indonesian.
Oh, where
I
is
came
it?
from Wakatobi Island, if you know that.
Yeah, I've heard that.
Yeah.
I think it has like a beautiful beaches, right? For a
Yeah,
second.
beaches.
Beaches. Okay.
So I'm Bhutanese. I'm originally from Wakatobi, 100%. So half of my blood is mermaid.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay.
So I came from Wakatobi, everybody.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm 100% Bhutanese.
And half mermaid.
Yeah, so because I'm from Wakatobi, it's an island. So if I touch some water,
Okay.
I'm gonna turn into a mermaid.
Oh, okay. Okay. Back to the question
Yeah,
again.
okay. Sorry. What is the question again?
Well, the question is like, how did you like end up being in Max?
Oh, in Max. So, like I said before, Max really give me so much love. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So, I'm not being cheesy, but yeah, because they treat me so well. I'm not really fluent speaking back then, even though like now, but but then they keep give me advice and like told me how to pronounce things because they said that I think pronunciation is one of your problem because since I came from East Indonesia, so like I really can tell. Yeah, really like really Eastern, really Eastern. So yeah, they teach me very much, and they always like ask me to join some activities, max internal activities like the private course that they have that kind of thing too. you become one of the member. So you should become one of the member to get this private course from them, from the seniors. And then like the special thing that we have, the seniors that we have in MEX, it's came from a lot diverse professions. Like some of them is lecturers, some also is a cop maybe, and the doctors, something like that. So there's a lot of profession that we have from the seniors.
Okay.
That's why we stay.
Okay, so I feel like Mix is like a good place like to expand our connections, all like that.
Connection. Some oh god,
Oh,
some of
oh,
my
that-
seniors even found their wives there.
Oh,
There's a lot. Maybe if I'm not mistaken, it's 3 of them of couples that we have in Mex,
Wow.
and that's because
They
they
met
sharing a lot of loves when they spend time there.
Okay, so how about you?
So maybe no, who knows? Yeah,
Who knows? Okay,
knows?
we don't really know.
We don't know.
But yeah, we wish you all the best for your.
we wish you
future.
Merry Christmas now.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we move to Miss Fatia. How about you, Miss Fatia? Why did you join like setting?
Actually, I like or I love to seek or scavenger knowledge, and then suddenly I go to Unsa in Jalan Kandea or Jalan 9, and then I go there. Oh my God, something like class or university, and then I try. May I join?
Okay.
And then that in setting, the tutor or mentor actually the lecturer
lecturers.
of Unsa, and then I say may I join, and then the lecturer so welcome, and then I enter many times. I join there every Saturday morning until the Saturday 2 p.m. and I think it's special for the student of college because of setting still green.
Oh,
It is not
yeah.
just something like BPEC. It is not just
Okay.
something like Max or Hack setting just green. But
Okay.
don't worry about the green to be how to say green.
Okay,
Okay.
great. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. But now we have to break first, and then we will meet you again after the break. So 101.1 Smart FM Makassar, the spirit of Indonesia. See you. 101.1 Smart FM Makassar, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to our program. Okay, so the next question, I feel like it's gonna be very interesting because before, like Mr. Aka said, like some people in Max, they found their soulmates in Max. So I would like to ask you, but it's not only about soulmate, maybe friendship, maybe you have found your like best friends in your English club. Because my personal experience, I also like most of my best friends, I found it in an English club. So maybe you also have a similar experience, and also maybe you found like your boyfriend or your girlfriend in your English club, and then you can share it with us. So maybe for those like watching and they are still single, it can be also motivating for them. Okay, so I will move to Miss Riri. Okay, how are you, Miss Riri?
Okay, so I'm sorry, can you repeat the question?
Okay, so like some people, like based on Mr. Aka explanation, like some people in Max, they found their soulmates, also like their best friends might be. And how about you? Have you also found your half in BPEC?
I wish he's not watching this.
Okay. It's
No,
so it's
no,
true,
no.
guys. It's
Let me
true.
go first.
Okay.
Okay, so it's just like a crush.
Oh.
Yeah, not gonna lie, but he's also the reason why I came to BBC.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, but I'm not telling him, of course, because I'm not feel confident enough.
So he doesn't know yet.
Yeah, he doesn't
Okay,
know.
we-
'Cause
we will help
I don't
you.
want him to know. Like it will be so awkward since we are
Okay.
on the same community.
Oh,
Yeah.
so I think he's watching.
No, please no.
Well, could you spell? Tell us the initial
No,
letter. Okay,
it's so obvious.
It's obvious. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. So, how about best friends then? Have you met
Um,
your best friends BPC?
I met a lot of friends there, of course, but I have my best friends even when I'm not coming to BPC, and then I ask her to come. So we
okay.
learn together.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
and
that's
we
great.
progress together, and now she's really how to say frequently go to BPC now.
Okay, wow, yeah. So you are like growing with your friends
Yeah,
at
and
VPC.
that's real positive, like
Yeah,
as
yeah,
a best
yeah,
friends.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
good thing. Especially you have
Mhm.
like the same visions in life and stuff like
Yeah.
that. That's great. Okay, we will move to Miss Fiera as the president of Hack.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you also have like crush on someone?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure.
Yeah, but honestly, when I joined Hasanuddin English community, I just have friends. So yeah, I grew up with him.
Him.
Yeah,
Okay, it's
and then
him.
yeah,
Okay.
he know exactly what I like. So he asked me to join, and then I have a lot of bestie from Hasanuddin English
Yeah.
community. Yeah, that's why it's such a positive vibes for me. I feel like I surrounding by a round of positive people. That's why I really enjoy to come in Hasanuddin English community.
Okay, thank you. But since also like Mr. Riri mentioned before, like you wait, who said before about? I'm not sure, but let's just say that for those you are quite shy, right? But right now you are like building confidence through BPS as well, and then like she also has like a program where it's like who am I for newcomers. So how about in your community? Maybe those viewers who also are very interested in joining, but they are not really confident or they are like introvert. Like what program do you have for them?
Actually, we were very welcome for each other. So yeah, don't be shy, cause I feel we're if you always come to us, yeah, you will meet another family in our
Okay.
community. Yeah,
Okay.
something like that I feel so far.
Okay, so they just like introduce themselves without having any like who am I section like that. But
Yeah.
all of the hacks members, they are very welcoming, right?
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah,
they
there's
will not
no
judge you. Okay.
judgment
Okay.
in our community.
Okay, thank you. We move to Miss Fatia. So how about you, Miss?
The question is,
Uh, maybe like have you met your best friends in
Setting?
Setting, yeah, setting.
actually, for the first time I go there, I meet one of lecturer,
Okay.
and her name is Ma'am Auntie, and then I say, may I join? And Ma'am Auntie, so how to say humble, and
Humble,
then
down to earth.
very kind, and she is welcome. Please coming and join. And then I meet the other people, something like the president of BEM,
Okay.
and then I make close to be friendship, and then suddenly how to say in English, dekan,
Dekan. Din ya,
and
Din.
Unsa, and invite the private room.
Wow.
And then I think is we just how to build, how to make how to make good the setting.
Okay,
And
yeah,
I
yeah.
say I always announce in my personal group WA.
Okay.
Yes.
So
And then
yeah.
I feel that something like my family.
Wow, yeah.
Yes.
So it's good thing as well because we can directly learn with dean or also like
Yes,
lecturers of
lecturer.
University of what?
Unsa,
Unsa?
Universitas Sauri
Saur
Gading.
Garden. Okay.
Yes.
So that's a good thing. Okay, Mr. Aka. Okay, I already know your name very well.
Yeah.
So how about you, Mr. Aka?
What the best friend or like the lover kind of thing?
Like either one.
Yeah. So actually, as we talked about before, it's like our friends talk about before. They talk about their crush. I think I know your crush. Yeah. I can guess it. It's so obvious.
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. But I do think actually.
Hmm?
Yeah, he's very obvious. I know him. He's bright, right there.
No, don't spill it.
Okay.
Oh, you regularly come to BPS as
Yeah,
well?
I
Okay.
once I've been there, not been there. I've been there A lot.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been there a lot. So yeah, talking about mix. Actually, if it's talking about best friend, not actually best friend, but I like the vibes that create there. So you know that kind of vibes when you go to the place and like all the people very positive and welcoming us, and then we feel like we are in the great university like Harvard and Oxford in Makassar version, yeah.
Harvard,
Because the
Oxford.
vibes, everyone being so open-minded, and they talk about things very easy and give us a lot of information, even though like the information that we've never had before.
Okay.
So it's make me feel like I love this kind of vibes.
Okay.
I love this kind of people, community.
Okay.
And then that's what make me love them. I don't know
Okay,
about
okay.
them love me, but I love them very much. I do love them very much. That's why I feel like
Okay.
they're my soulmate.
Oh, wow.
From my side. I don't know from them.
Okay, so we don't really know whether it's like one-sided love or not.
Yeah, I don't know, but I love the vibes.
Yeah. So every meeting you feel like you are like talking to Cinta Laura and
Yeah,
like
I do
Maudi
I do
Ayunda.
the jacksel kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that. I love doing that actually. Like when I speak and then I mix my Indonesian with English.
Okay.
That is the only place that I can do that.
Okay,
I'm not gonna
okay.
do that on university,
Okay,
right?
okay.
Everyone gonna be like, "What are you doing?"
Oh,
But
okay.
I'm doing it there. That is the place to do that, right?
Yes.
So it's making me feel like, yeah, I'm gonna do my Cinta Lower here.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do my jacksel here. No one gonna stop me.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I love
great,
the vibes.
great. So yeah, for the next question, I just want to know like your most unforgettable moment. I feel like this one is quite interesting as well, and I would like to ask the president of Hasanuddin English Club, since like you're the president, so I believe you have so many experiences. But which one like the most unforgettable one?
The most unforgettable. Okay, maybe when we have English camp.
Okay,
Yeah.
English camp.
The place that we around in one place speak a lot of everything in English. If we not speak in English, yeah, we have a punishment.
Okay,
So
wow.
that's why it's a challenging for
Yeah.
me, and yeah, but in a positive side.
Okay.
Yeah, and what else? I mean, yeah, we also have a lot of learning in the place. So I feel like more interesting.
Okay, very interesting. Okay, so do you mean like the most unforgettable one is the punishment?
No, I think, yeah, when we talk.
Yeah.
Okay, when we talk in English every single time, yeah, it's very challenging for me. So that's why I will.
Okay.
It's have fun.
But what kind of
At the same
punishment
time.
though? What kind of punishment was it?
You
So like
must.
paying money or stuff
Yeah,
like that?
something
Oh.
like that.
Oh wow.
So if
wow.
you, yeah,
I feel
if
like
you
Hack is
if
doing something
you
dirty there.
talk in one word in Bahasa,
Okay.
you must pay 2,000
Wow.
like that. But yeah, we're good. We're doing good, so that's why
Okay.
there's no.
Okay. But what was the money for? And then
Yeah,
how
for
did you
our-
spend the money?
Our community.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Fiera. And then I will move to Miss Riri. So how about you, Miss Riri?
Well,
Besides like finding your crush, right? Besides that one.
so I'm talking.
Yeah. Besides-
Okay. Actually, it's just similar with what is your
Miss
name?
Vera?
Yeah, Miss Vera. The unforgettable moments also when I come to English camp,
English
which
camp as
is
well.
conduct because we are open recruitment.
Okay, new recruitment.
Yes, and I'm like registered as a committee there.
Mm.
Yeah, and we met a lot of people, like the senior from different institution, from different how to say job,
Okay.
and we share a lot of things. And also we speak English
Okay.
every day with them, with also with another friends of mine.
Okay, if not, there's punishment too.
No, not really.
No, okay, no,
Yeah.
okay. So this is like the kinder community.
Yeah,
right?
because
But heck
there
is good
we built like a family chemistry.
Oh, family
together,
chemistry too.
yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
so
that's
but
all.
what did you guys do in the English club? I'm so like very confused. Like, what
Uh,
activities did you guys do in an English club? Like in
there's
English camp?
there's a lot of things such as we learn, like there's one person who deliver a
Okay.
presentation of English, teach us how to fix our grammar, teach
Okay.
us how to do an accent,
Okay.
like Indian accent. Hello everybody. It's really nice to meet you. I can do Indian
Ooh,
accent very well.
wow, wow, it's a talent.
Yeah,
You're
yeah,
so
we're
skilled.
really having fun in there.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Well, how about you? What did you guys do in the English camp?
Actually, when English came, we having a foreign
Oh,
foreign
for
student
foreign student.
from Korea.
Oh.
Wait, I forgot. Oh my God, there's a lot.
Oh,
There's
many
so-
countries?
yeah,
Wow.
three
Three
countries.
countries.
Yeah.
South Korea, and then the second one, Turkey.
Yeah.
Afghanistan.
Black,
Okay.
I'm not a black people.
Okay, so
Forgot.
okay, so yeah, it's okay. Well, what did they do there? Like what their
They give
contributions?
us about their country.
Okay.
Yeah, like their experience, their budaya, what to say?
Cultures.
Culture. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God, I forgot. Yeah, culture from their
Okay.
and one one most funny that I think from Turkish, I think.
Okay, for Turkey.
When she tried to present, he must use her costume.
Okay, like traditional costume
Yeah,
from
traditional
Turkey.
costume, so he can speak very well in front of us.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't. So he changed her costume before presenting.
Okay, okay, okay.
Something like that. It's funny for me.
Okay, so all of those foreigners they spoke in English as well
Yeah,
during the
yeah.
English camp. Okay,
Yeah.
great. Okay, I will move to. I haven't asked you, Miss Fatia, right? Yeah. So how about you, Miss Fatia?
Okay, thank you. I think it's my experience. You mean unforgettable experience? I think it's I'm so different the others because of
Okay.
actually my characteristic. I always thirsty about the knowledge, and then
Okay, so we are not thirsty. Oh, knowledge. You only you. Not really us.
I'm so curious about
Okay.
knowledge, and then I try to go to the UNSA, and suddenly after UNSA I go to directly Max.
Okay.
Then so
Oh,
close.
yeah, yeah. You are
Yes,
different. Yeah.
yeah.
You
So
are
different,
thirstier. Thirstier than us.
Yeah,
In a
different
very
because
positive way.
positive way,
Yes.
absolutely. And then I go to setting first. Then after setting, I go to directly Max because of so close.
Okay.
Max on Jalan Kandea, and
Kandea,
then
okay.
Unsa Jalan Kandea or Jalan 9. So maybe after setting, I go to Max about 5 minutes
Oh, okay.
because
Ooh.
there is bridge, something
There's-
like
yeah,
bridge.
yeah, yeah.
And then I'm so, how to say, rugi.
Rugi in disadvantage.
Okay, I think is I'm so disadvantage if I go just one place, and
Okay,
then
yeah,
how
yeah.
to say satu kali
Yes.
mendayu apa gitu.
Oh,
And
yeah,
then
yeah, yeah,
I
good.
think it's because I'm so sad if I one day I don't get many knowledge,
Oh.
especially scavenging vocabularies, and I try to speak in front of the audience, even though same the others. I need a process to be, how to say, can speak the audience or the in front of the many people. I think everyone need a process, need be patient. I think include me.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
thank you.
what a productive
Yes.
woman. I just feel very inspired. How about you? Yeah, right? Okay. Okay, so next, Mr. Aka.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm very, I feel inspired by Mr. I think all of us here agree. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
It's
yeah,
very
yeah, yeah,
inspirational.
yeah, yeah.
Inspirational. Yeah.
Yeah, inspiring,
Inspiring,
right? Very
yeah.
inspiring.
What the question again?
I don't even remember. So the question was,
Oh,
yeah, the most unforgettable one.
unforgettable one. So, if you go there as a committee, and you have to be like the discussion leader.
Okay.
So we gather around. It's like a mini circle, mini group.
Okay.
Yeah, small group, and then there's one person that's gonna be lead the discussion.
Is it like me right
Yeah,
now?
like here
Okay,
right now.
okay.
Yeah,
Like
five
me.
of us. Yeah. So the first time I became the leader of discussion, I don't know because they didn't prepare us the question.
Oh,
So you have to make
okay.
the question by yourself.
Okay. At
And-
least I prepare here.
Yeah.
What you did.
Yeah. I didn't make there. I didn't prepare, so I was like, what should I say? And then like the one of the person in my circle is like lectures.
Okay.
And
Wow.
and he's not being friendly at the time. Yeah,
Oh.
he's like he's like being yeah, no. No,
Like
I'm not- I'm not-
superior.
no, I'm not trying to say that he's not friendly, but at the time, maybe he don't know that I'm being nervous because
Okay.
that is my first time to
Okay,
being
okay.
discussion leader, and I don't know what to say, and I don't have the question list. So yeah, so I'm trying to repeat a question again and again.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm nervous and I don't know what to say. So yeah, that's very unforgettable.
Okay.
And from that moment, then I realized that every time we go there, because like they're gonna point it to you. They're not gonna say that tomorrow, like next week, or like in the next meeting, you're gonna be the discussion leader.
Oh, okay.
Right when you go there, they're gonna be like, you're gonna be the discussion leader to this
Wow.
meeting. So we'll be like, I didn't prepare anything. That's fine. That's why you become committee. That's gonna
Okay.
make you learn. Yeah, and
Yeah.
yeah, that's make me learn.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's very unforgettable and scary at the moment. Yeah, but I do actually feel grateful because
Yeah.
they give me that position
Okay.
so that I can learn, and here I am. Oh God.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Here we are.
Here we are. Yeah. So I think it's a good thing to be like a member or like a committee of Max because it will train our leadership traits as well.
Yeah.
But were you nervous because you were talking to like a lecture or it was your first time?
Both of it. Oh, both of it.
Wow.
That's
Okay,
my
whatever.
first time, and then I didn't prepare any question, and then I faced lectures, and he's
Okay.
he's super smart. I don't even know what he said. I don't even know what he said. Like 50% of his sentences, I don't know what he said because like the word I never heard that before.
Okay.
So I was like, oh damn.
Oh.
I'm like, dude, I didn't
Okay.
even know what he said.
Okay.
And then one of the trick that they teach me before, when you got an answer from
Yeah.
them, you're gonna make the answer become next question.
Okay.
How can I make that equation if I don't even know what kind of thing he said, right?
So what did you do?
I don't know.
Okay. We will move to the next one. Okay. The next speaker. Okay. Maybe. Yeah. I think it was really unforgettable one. Okay. I will move to Miss Viera. Okay, Miss Viera. So I would like to ask you, how would you describe Hasanuddin English Club and in 3 words, and why would you choose those 3 different vocabulary words?
First word maybe fun.
Okay, fine.
Because when I in that community, I feel like I'm not learn. I'm just playing, but at the same time, I got the knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
And second, I feel positive.
okay, fun, positive.
Because really feel like I'm surrounded by positive people, and that's why I can survive that in that
Okay.
place. And also inspiring for
Okay,
me.
inspiring.
Yeah, because when I see our senior from Hasanuddin English community, that makes me feel so much inspired. They can get what they want from that place, from the zero knowledge that they
Okay.
didn't know, and they can become good
Okay, like very
until now.
fluent.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's make me.
So 0 to hero, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so you mentioned fun, positive, and inspiring.
Yeah.
And the next one, I would like to challenge you, like to use different vocabulary words. So don't say these 3 words. Okay, so I will move to Mr. Aka. How about you, Mr. Aka?
Oh, this is new. I thought I will be the last.
No.
So I'll choose love, as I say before.
Okay, hello.
Love, so much love that I get from there, and I love it. So that's lovely.
Okay.
Love. Um, Oxford.
Oh.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
And
Expensive
then
word.
and third
Fancy
word.
word.
And the
And
third one,
fancy.
fancy.
Yeah.
Okay.
And fancy.
Fancy. Why fancy?
I don't know. I just feel the fancy vibes whenever I go there because I've never found that kind of vibes when I was in Wakatobi.
Oh.
Yeah. So like this is new and this kind of thing is fancy for me.
What do you mean Wakatobi is not fancy or what?
No, we don't have that. I don't experience that kind of thing when I was in Wakatobi.
Okay, so it's like a new
So
experience.
it's like a new experience. It's like a whole new thing for me. Yeah, and that's like the thing that I want. So like,
Mhm.
yeah, the thing that I want, and then I go there freely. Oh, guys, it's free.
Okay.
It's free, guys. So if you go there, it's free. You don't have to prepare any money.
Okay.
Yeah. So fancy, Oxford, and love.
Okay. 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 Nice. But free. It also applies to other clubs, right? It's all free. Okay. Okay. So we move to the third one, Miss Riri. How are you, Miss Riri? 3 words, but different words.
Talking about these 3 words, actually in BPC we have a slogan.
What's that?
Yeah, to bright up the meetings, sometimes we tell the participant, when we say BPC, you guys say, wow, bright and breezy.
Okay, we will try. Okay.
Yeah,
We will try.
BPC.
What? Wow.
Bright
Right
and
and breezy. Okay. Well,
Yeah,
it's
that's
good
the
thing.
3 words
Okay,
I want
three.
to say.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Wow, because our community is really amazing for me since
Okay.
it really improved my English and also my
Okay.
confidence. And second is bright,
Bright.
because the vibes in there is really bright, since really open for each other,
Okay.
for any age. And also breezy. Breezy is like a Ria.
Okay.
Yeah, because the situation in there, we always like do ice breaking, and also when we are
Okay.
debating, there's no harmless feelings, there's no offensive feelings. Yeah, that's why I choose these 3 words.
Okay. So bright, breezy, and
Wow, bright, and
wow,
breezy.
bright
Yeah.
and breezy. Okay. Well done. So Miss Fatia, how about you? How would you describe?
Three words,
3 words.
and different words.
Yeah, different
Okay.
words.
I myself, when I go to setting Saturday English meeting for the first time, I just my feeling how to say friendly,
Okay, friendly.
and then homey, you know,
Yeah.
homey, and then open heart.
Open heart.
Yes.
Okay,
Because
why?
how to something like warm, hangat,
warm.
because of when I go there, I think it's something like my house, new family, and then I day by day, meeting by meeting, I getting more love the setting, and how to say setting is my soul. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. And maybe it's gonna be the last question for each of you. I would like to ask you like what is your wish? What your wish is for your English club maybe in the future, because we of course want always better for our English clubs, right? And I would like to know from each of you. And I would start from, I don't want to start with Mr. Akao, so maybe Miss Fiera.
Okay. Thank you. My biggest wish for Hasanuddin English community, because during the COVID-19 we are conduct every single discussion online, so maybe we will getting in offline. So you guys, if you're not busy or not doing something, yeah, you can join us, and we getting so much fun there.
Wow, it's a good approaching for getting new members. Okay, the next one, Miss Riri. How are you, Miss Riri?
Okay, so my wishes for BPAC is, I wish BPAC will last forever.
Okay. Amen,
Yeah,
amen.
and get a lot of participants, and also can how to say, like, can make other people improve their English too, their confidence, and also self-esteem. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I want to promote BPC as well.
Okay. Everyone is
Yeah,
proud.
guys, if you want to come to BPC, please come on Sunday at 10 a.m. to until 2 p.m. You also can get the information on Instagram, BPEC Makassar. Yeah, We will welcome you guys, and thank you.
Thank you. Okay, and the next one, Miss Fatia. How about you?
Okay, actually, if you want to join in setting Saturday English meeting, you may contact me.
Okay.
And then if you want to enter or join in University Unsa, I think there is a scholarship, and contact me. And then my, how to say, the can ask me to enter the university because there is a scholarship, and then all of the age.
Okay.
And then I think is setting is, even though just green, I mean masih muda, but I'm so optimistic
Okay.
because of how to say, I hope my wish, all of the student of University Unsa, I hope the student of the college to be getting more smart
Okay,
than
yeah,
before, because
amen.
still green.
Yeah,
Thank you.
still green, still new. Okay, thank you, Miss Fatia. Okay, the last one, Mr. Aka. How about Mr. Aka? What is your wish for Max?
Okay, so my wish for Max, I wish Max getting last longer, and then I hope it still be like that forever, because like the love is very unique.
The last.
No, I love the love that we have
Yeah.
there, yeah, and we spend there. So I hope we still have this kind of love forever. Yeah, so like I'm not the only one who feel the love. Yeah, everyone gonna feel that love that I'm talking about right
Okay.
now.
So, if you are very curious what kind of love that he's talking, that you need to
Yeah.
join Max.
Okay, I'm gonna promote it.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you're curious what kind of love that I'm talking about, you should go there. We're gonna conduct the weekly meeting 3 times a week. Tuesday, Thursday. No.
You keep promoting like
No.
K-pop song.
Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Yeah, and we're gonna conduct it at 4 p.m. until 5 p.m.
Sounds a lot of language.
What?
A lot of language.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of language there. We learn Arabic.
Wow.
We learn Arabic. We learn some of them talking about Korean. I don't know if they're gonna conduct it or not. Korean, France, English, of course. Japanese, yeah, and Japanese. So
yeah.
if you guys want to learn that languages, go there and feel the love.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah.
So many languages. You can be a polyglot by joining like Max Hallmark has. Okay, thank you guys so much for today, and I'm so happy like to meet you, and I hope this not gonna be the last time, and I hope I can meet you again. So that's the end of our program. 101.1 Smart FM Makassar, the spirit of Indonesia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.